guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit of cleaning, decorating, and then I'm going to unbox my Glow Collaborative subscription. So we're just going to jump into it. Before we do that, if you're new to my channel or you just haven't subscribed yet but you've been watching videos, hit that subscribe button. And once you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, because I would love you guys to be a part of our family. This box came a couple of days ago, but unfortunately I haven't opened it yet because I always want to open it up with you guys. So I did order a little bit more than last time. So we're just gonna get this open. And they do have a brochure in here. And it just talks about the holiday 2018, and it just features some different stuff inside. And I guess I can take my time later and look through that. This is the first time I ever got a brochure this is the first time I ever got a brochure in my subscription, I think. So they have it packaged really, really well. So we're gonna start with this item. So the very first item that I pull out is this cleaning caddy. This is the holiday edition cleaning caddy, and it comes in this beautiful red color here. I don't know, guys, for some reason red has really been my color for my decor. I usually use a lot of different other colors. You know, red is the traditional color for Christmas, and I guess I'm really getting into it this year. So the next item I see is the peppermint scent holiday edition. And this is one of my favorite fragrances. And then I also got the Iowa Pine. I actually got two Iowa Pines dish soap. And then I got the multi-surface cleaner. And I got the hand soap. So I definitely will be placing these in my kitchen area for the holidays. And the other item, Method Antibac bathroom cleaner in spearmint, and this is one of my favorites. And I got an Antibac all-purpose cleaner, and this is in Wildflower. Well, guys, that was it for my order for this month. We're going to jump into the decor and cleaning version of this video.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind.